Okay, we're gonna go test this again. So we got, what is it? That's 48 Packard?
46.
46 Chevy?
Yep.
I thought it was Packard, Chevy?
Yep, Chevy.
Okay, so here's the jump box.
All right.
Here's the
where are we at right now?
the short long combo.
We're at 50%.
We went from 75 to 50, so I don't think it has increments that are less than 25%.
You're probably right. All right.
Okay, so we already tested the inflator, worked good, so now we're gonna test it. Now this one actually has a battery in it, unlike the last test.
This one is actually dead.
So this has 0 in it, but
This
it does
has
have
0.
But it does,
Well, it has like a volt.
it has 1 volt on a 12-volt system, but there is actually a battery.
There's a battery.
So that's better. Than,
Here we are again with the same problem. This cable. I don't
cable's too
understand what
short.
the problem is.
They're cheap on the cable lengths.
All right.
Okay, where's the voltage number at? On
Just
the
makes
side?
it really bad.
But look at those
really
two big.
hard.
Look at those 2 big LED lights there. That was a big thing they talked about.
All right. Well,
Where's the meter?
there is no meter. Oh, there it is.
There,
50%.
We gotta get that where we can see it. Put that upright. Yeah, like that. That's fine. Yeah, right on top of the coil. That's perfect.
That's all I got.
That's all you got.
That's all I got. Damn cable's too short.
Cable's too short.
All right, here we go.
Crank away. Ooh, that worked good. Run. You're at 50.
That was a dead battery.
Well, the snap-on worked good too.
Yeah, that's a dead battery. Looking good.
Didn't even hesitate. But
Nope. All right, what are we at now? Still at 50%.
yeah, I think it goes in 25% increments.
So we went from 75 to 50 real quick,
Yeah.
but then it's staying at 50. So you're probably right, it's 25.
Yeah. So we still got half the juice in it. It says you can do like 20 starts.
Well, I'll tell you what, that started up pretty darn quick. Not better than those other ones that give you 1 start and that's
Well,
it.
that thing was instantaneous.
Yeah.
It's like the snap-on one though, right?
What else do I got that's a dead battery? I think that's it.
A dad's truck at home.
That's all I got.
All right. Fleetmaster, that's what that is. That's a Fleetmaster. There you go. Needs a muffler. There you go.